top.
Ano?
Dad! You're the house in top in the roof.
Oh, walang second room? Second floor? Yeah, that's okay.
No,
Ang laki
meron
ng...
kami doon sa loob. May hagdanan pa nga kami.
Oh, see?
What's up there? What's upstairs?
Where's upstairs? It's over there.
You can see it. It's over there.
Mm-hmm.
Tingnan mo.
It's for when I can do my bed there.
Hindi doon yung
Oh.
maglaki itong bahay ko, big. So
Malaki
big.
bahay nila. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, so many rooms.
so
See?
big.
Dami-dami.
No, you just for the painting.
Alam ko, painting. O, ano naman?
This is my room. It's my house.
Hindi, malaking house to.
No.
Ano?
Next time, this is a building. Is Mama house.
Aha.
It's like that.
Eh, yung bahay mo.
It's like that.
Oh my God.
Excuse me.
Hindi.
Balik yung bahay ko.
Hindi, kasi malaki.
No.
My house is like this.
Oh,
My
oh.
house is like that.
And then my house.
Goes small.
Di naman. Di naman, Crystal.
Minata mo naman ng bahay ko.
No.
My house is big.
No. Where's the TV go? And how about over?
So, yung laki ng TV namin.
No. This is go there.
And?
Go to the next place here.
Malit na yung bahay. How big is the house? Like this.
This.
Yung bahay ko, ganon?
Yung bahay
Yung
mo.
bahay mo. Bahay ni Mami.
Di. Di naman, no.
O, Papay, pakita mo yung sayo mo. Yung favorite.